This is Open Ocean under halogen light. It is a luscious dark blue with a violet undertone. This is Open Ocean in incandescent light. It is loaded with blue and copper sparkle. This is Open Ocean in sunlight. And that is without primer. That is with primer. This is Open Ocean in semi-shade. This is Open Ocean under compact fluorescent light and turning towards natural. This is Open Ocean in indoor natural light. This is Open Ocean under LED flash. That is without primer. That is with primer. And once again, this is Open Ocean.